The biggest lie we're told is that success is a solo mission. That all you need is hard work and a good idea. But here's the truth. The most successful people aren't chasing opportunities. They are attracting them. Today, I'm going to show you how to stop chasing clients, stop burning out, and start building a network that works for you. This isn't fluff. This is the blueprint I have used to build my businesses, connect with high network individuals, and grow a global community. And if you stay until the end, I will share how you can even dive deeper into these strategies with my book, The Glitch in the Game of Life. And you can turn your mindset into your greatest asset. Hey everyone, my name is Glensky Inagas, and I came to this country when I was 14 with no money, no English, and no connections. When I lacked resources, I met up in relationships, and that's what changed everything for me. Over the years, I have built brands for entrepreneurs, raised capital for private equity, and created a dialect agency to help others unlock this potential. But none of this happened by chance. It happened because I learned one simple truth: relationships are the currency of success. In today's video, I will break down the strategies that turn my network into my net worth. In the end, I will show you how you can do exactly the same. Step 1. Stop chasing and start attracting. Chasing clients is like chasing a shadow. The harder you run, the faster it disappears. Attraction is where the magic happens. The attraction starts with clarity. Think of your brand as a lighthouse. A lighthouse doesn't chase the boats. It stands tall, consistent, and unmistakable. When I started sharing value up front through videos, free consultations, and meaningful conversations, I stopped chasing leads and they're starting to come into me. Define your unique value. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve better than my competition? Better than anybody else? Build a network that works for you. Your network isn't just somebody that you know. It's who knows you and what they think when they hear your name. Relationships aren't built in boardrooms. They're built in the trenches. Your network is your mirror. It reflects the standards that you set for yourself. I've been in rooms with private equity investors, real estate moguls, and entrepreneurs, and every time it wasn't what I wanted to open my doors. It was what I could offer. Let me give you a tip. Attend to events, masterminds, or online communities, and focus on listening more than talking. Consistency is the secret weapon. Think of relationships like a campfire. If you don't feed it, it dies. But if you consistently add fuel, it becomes unstoppable. Consistency turns sparks into flames and flames into wildfires. I've seen people life-changing opportunities simply because they are following up when others forgot. Consistency isn't very sexy, but it works. Step 4. Authenticity is magnetic. We live in a world full of filters. People crave the real. Authenticity isn't just being honest. It's being a human. Your story is your fingerprint. No one else has it. And that's your power. When I share my journey immigrating to the United States, starting from nothing, it resonated with some people, some immigrants, some Venezuelans, because it was real. People connect with what it's raw and relatable. Share your origin story. Whether it's conversations on social media, whether it's your pitch, let people see the human behind the brand. If you're ready to take these principles further, I invite you to check out my book, The Glitch in the Game of Life. It's not just a book, it's a guide to reviewing your mindset, building relationships, and unlocking your full potential. Click the link in the description to get your copy today and start turning your mindset into your greatest asset. Now that you know the power of relationships, take action. Comment below what's one relationship you're going to nurture this week. Let's hold each other accountable. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn from our strategies and grow your business.